Hello guys, this is Emmanuel Etim from Forex Portal Academy. We just finished looking at the horizontal support and resistance. So right now I want to explain the dynamic or slant support and resistance. Okay, so in the dynamic support and resistance, when the market is going on a downtrend, we draw the line, the horizontal the resistance line on it. Okay, when market is on a downtrend, and then when market is on an uptrend, okay, we draw the support line under it. Okay, so when market is in an uptrend, we draw a support line under it, and when market is on a downtrend like we have here, we draw a resistance line over it. Okay, so now note that the best way to connect your dynamic support and resistance line is that at least two candle tip must touch. Okay, so this is the correct thing to draw. So this part here is showing that this area is a zone, like I already told you guys. Okay, support and resistance is a zone, not a particular point. So at this zone, market hit a resistance and then continued downwards. Okay, because resistance is the highest zone which price reach and begin to go back down. Okay, and to draw your dynamic support and resistance line, you need a tool called the trend line. So what you do to get the tool is just click on your MT4 and this place and this circle icon will come up. Click on this icon right there, and then you see this interface. Locate your trend line, click on it. So once you click on your trend line and then drag it downwards, you have successfully drawn your trend line. Okay, so now I have successfully drawn my trend line right there. So meaning that when price hits the resistance here, come down, it will test the resistance again and begin to come down, test the resistance again, continue downward, test the resistance again and continue downward. Remember that while it is testing this resistance, here is a support. Once it hits the support, it goes back up, hits the resistance, and then break the support at this point, comes down, retest that support which it has broken at this point, which is now a resistance, it retests it and then comes back down. As it's coming down, it is breaking the support at this level and then retesting it up. Okay, do you guys understand? So it hits a resistance, then there's a support here, it crosses the support down, change this zone here to a resistance after hitting the support. So once it hits the resistance again, it pushed price back down and it broke another support here, came back down. Okay, and then retested that support that it has broken to turn it into a resistance and continued downwards. While coming down, it broke a support at this level, came down, then retested that support to make it a resistance before coming back down. Is that understood? So that is it. That is a dynamic support and resistance for a downtrend. Let's go over to an uptrend. All right, so we have an uptrend here and we draw it below. Remember, drawing it, you draw it below. That is how you draw dynamic support line for the uptrend. You draw it below. All right, so these points are the supports. Once it hits, it goes back up, hits a support, goes back up, hits a support, goes back up, hits a support and goes back up. So as you already know how to draw your dynamic support and resistance, you look for the trend line icon. All right, so you click on this, go over, you delete the already existing one if you want to. Okay, go through it and then you click your trend line, then place it here and then drag it. Okay, so at this point now we have this zone as our support and resistance. Remember, we see support and resistance as a zone, so this zone right here serves as our supports right now. So now, like we've already established, once the market made this move upward, okay, it broke a resistance level here, and then it broke a resistance level, okay, because it's going up. It broke a resistance level. We tested that resistance. Now there is now a support. So once it breaks the resistance, it changes it into a support. Remember, there is a level here. There's a level right here. Price broke through it, and at this level, that is the resistance level right here. But price broke through it. We tested that resistance as support, and it took price back upwards. Okay, while going upward from this point, while going back upward from this point, price reached another resistance level here, but then it broke it. After breaking it, it changed it into a support level and then pushed the price back up. As it came up here, there is another resistance level here. Price broke the resistance and then changed the resistance to support and went back up. As it was going up, it crossed another resistance here, changed it into support and went back up. Okay, so like I said earlier, it is best when trading an uptrend for you to look for buying opportunities at previous resistance. It's best to find buying opportunity at previous resistance. Okay, at previous resistance that was turned into support. So it is best for you to take a buy trade here and go up. Okay, so you're looking for buy opportunity, it is best for you to take the opportunity right here. Okay, and then buy it up. You see, even if the market retraces, it's not going to touch you when you buy at these levels that with former resistance but have been retested and turned into a support. Okay, then for the downtrend, it is best for us to buy at resistance. So when price comes into this level, it breaks it. Okay, it comes in, breaks it, breaks that support, change it into a resistance and pull back down. So it is best for us to sell at this zone. Okay, so you know that if you sell at this point right here and then it comes down, even if it retraces, come back down, goes up, you're still in massive profit. And this is a daily time frame right here, D1, meaning that these are massive pips, massive pips on gold. Okay, so I hope that is well explained. If you have any question, do well to ask. Okay, thank you.